Y'all know who it is, man. Let's see where I'm at. You'll see my carriage. So this Easter, I'll be giving out a couple free Easter baskets. I don't know if I want to do like a free raffle or, first come, first serve. But in a couple of hours, I'll figure it out. Like I said, see the carriage. It's full of Easter baskets. I'm still looking for a lot of the best ones, but happy Easter to the youth. Like I said, man, first come, first serve. Sure. So this is what I'm doing. Brought to you by Black Labs Customs, Star Life Clothing. Just doing what I do for the youth, man. That's it. I'm out.